Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing a USB drive for the PS4 update process. Format the USB drive to XFAT or FAT32 using your computer. Leave at least 1 GB free on the drive for the update file. In the USB root, create 2 folders named PS4 and then an update folder inside PS4. Open your web browser and download the official PS4 update file from Sony. Save the file into the update folder. Rename the saved file to PS4 Update, PUP, exactly as shown for the console to recognize it. After download, verify the file name and size before transferring. Confirm the update file is named PS4 Update, PUP, and appears complete on your computer. Do not unzip or alter the file in any way before copying. Copy the PS4 Update, PUP file into the USB drive path PS4/update. Ensure the file remains in that exact folder structure on the USB root. Use the operating system eject function to safely remove the USB drive. Safe removal helps prevent file corruption on the update file. Power off the PS4 fully and then boot into safe mode to install. Hold the power button for 7 seconds until the second beep to start safe mode. Connect the prepared USB drive to a USB port on the PS4. In safe mode, choose Update System Software and then select Update from USB storage device. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the PS4 Update, PUP file from the USB. If installation fails, reformat the USB, re-download the file, and try again as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.